To get started with Rocket Money budget tracking, first download and install the Rocket Money app on your device. Once installed, sign up for an account and link your financial institutions to the app. This allows Rocket Money to track your income and expenses, providing a comprehensive view of your financial situation. Next, set a budget by categorizing your expenses into needs, wants, and debt repayment. Needs include essential expenses like rent, utilities, and groceries, while wants include discretionary spending like entertainment and hobbies. Debt repayment includes any outstanding loans or credit card balances. Rocket Money uses a 50-30-20 rule as a guideline for budgeting, where 50% of your income goes towards needs, 30% towards wants, and 20% towards debt repayment and savings. You can adjust this ratio based on your individual financial goals and priorities. To track your expenses, Rocket Money offers a feature to categorize and monitor your spending. You can also set budget targets for each category and receive alerts when you go over budget. This helps you stay on track and make adjustments as needed. In addition to budgeting, Rocket Money provides tools to help you save money and pay off debt. You can set savings goals and track your progress. And Rocket Money will provide recommendations for reducing expenses and allocating funds towards savings and debt repayment. Best practices for using Rocket Money include regularly reviewing your budget and making adjustments as needed, avoiding impulse purchases, and prioritizing needs over wants. It is also important to take advantage of Rocket Money's savings and debt repayment tools to achieve your long-term financial goals. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Rocket Money to effectively track your budget, manage your expenses, and achieve financial stability. Remember to stay disciplined, patient, and informed, and you will be on your way to taking control of your finances with Rocket Money.